Hello, Becky here. I'm going to show you how to apply an overpayment in accounts receivable. And this would be done if you have received payment for an invoice that you have not yet invoiced in freight billing. So basically there's nothing in accounts receivable to apply it to, but yet you've gone ahead and deposited it into your bank, so you need to account for that in your system. So what we would do is enter that in as a prepayment. And I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. And we're going to go to Accounts Receivable. And we'll go up to the upper left-hand Accounts Receivable menu. Click on that and go to Enter Prepayments. The prepayment screen will come up. We want to choose the customer that we would like to apply our prepayment to. So I can double click there. And we'll go ahead and choose Walmart. And it's going to show you any invoices that they have listed in there. And reference number, I'm just going to use a date format like the month, the day, and the year. Amount received, I'll put $1,200, and I'm going to hit Apply Cash. So I've hit Apply Cash, and now I can just come down. It says remaining amount $1,200, so that means I've applied it, but I haven't put in any invoices against it. So I'm going to hit Save and Exit. And by default, it comes up and asks me if I would like to set up an overpayment, which is exactly what I want to do. So I'm going to click on this button that says Set up an overpayment with invoice number, and it gives me the invoice number. And so what that's done, it's created an invoice, and I'll go ahead and show you that here. It's created an invoice for that overpayment amount. So if I go into Apply Cash Receipts, and I pull up the customer that I just did it for, you'll see that on this line here, it's got the overpaid invoice number, and it shows my $1,200. And how we apply that is a separate video. I'm just showing you in this one how to get it in the system. So the last step, once you've gotten it in and it's showing under that account, is to post it, because it is a transaction that hit our bank account, so we do still want to post that. So if I go to Post Cash Receipts, if you had anything in there previous, which I did, but you'll see the overpayment listed there, and it'll show $1,200 as the amount received. In my example, I already had a $100 invoice in there, so my deposit total is $1,300, which would be correct. So I would go ahead and hit Begin Posting Now. So that's what you would do. In a quick wrap up, you would go to Enter Prepayment, enter your prepayment in. You can verify that it was entered in by going to the Apply Cash Receipts and double checking. And then the final step is going to be to make sure that you post it. And that's how you will get a prepayment into accounts receivable. There will be another video showing you how to take that prepayment and apply it to either one invoice or multiple invoices inside accounts receivable.